hauling of cassava, guys. Okay.
Yung inakaw, hindi masunod. Masuka.
Si Roger?
Yung gusto niya mga prutas niya inakaw nun.
Okay, mato ko din may Valencia. Mag-airbnb. Una sa kuhani. Abot na to, mato din ta, mato Valencia, mag-airbnb ko. Deliver sa Tingala, uban-uban lang na siya ron, maghingaw ng ginawa.
Ay, para ang klima niyo ba?
Okay, this is third.
Sukutin mo sa balay nga, init kayo.
Howling. So, I'm going to sell this to Maramak. 13.20 per kilo. Yan. You have to deduct the percentage. It's almost 100 kilos they're going to deduct. So guys, this is Mamalo. Okay. It's Mamalo again, guys. Okay. Hard work farmers, senior. Imagine that takes up. Exercise. Have a nice day, guys. Don't forget to like my videos, guys. Okay. Go. Third delivery, guys.